you're gonna have to get off the aircraft.
Yeah,
okay?
and you're at the. I'm already gonna get arrested.
You're gonna get arrested if you don't stand up and get off the aircraft.
Probably no, it really is. So that's my rights. Like you need to. No, we're getting to the point where you're not you're not respecting.
Most people breeze through airport security without a hitch, but what happens when a couple of high-flying divas clash? Buckle up for two tales of airport Karens causing turbulence, starting with this case that's a mere bumpy ride compared to the legendary Bua Karen. On May 25, 2021, officers responded to a call regarding a public disturbance that was ongoing at the airport in Dallas, Texas. The woman, a 62-year-old going by the name of Terry, was yelling at the terminal counter. As the officers arrived at the scene, they found Terry having a meltdown.
Ma'am, what happened?
This guy chokeholded me!
Ma'am.
What the is wrong with him?
Calm down. Keep it down, okay?
No, you need to talk to him. He chokeholded me. They saw it!
Ma'am.
They saw it!
Ma'am, calm down.
That guy
Ma'am,
needs to be arrested!
Come on, let's go over here.
You saw it! You saw it! You saw it!
Ma'am.
You saw it!
Ma'am. Keep...
He chokeholded me!
Ma'am, what's your name? I'm Officer Hoffman.
He threw me to the ground!
What's your name?
My name is Terry Ann Blues!
We'll come over here and we'll talk, okay?
I'm the manager of the airport here!
That's
Who saw him choking? Who saw him choke me to the ground? Who saw me?
I saw you run through the door when you weren't supposed to.
He
And I saw him
chokeholded me
push
to
you
the
out
ground!
You deserve
I'm pretty sure you're
In a
mistaken.
dress!
Boo-hoo. Boo-hoo.
Boo-hoo!
Ma'am, let's go over here, okay?
Boo-hoo! You fuck off!
Ma'am, go over here.
I want the manager of the airport here! No!
Ma'am.
No!
Terry was denied access to the flight for yelling at the staff. She ran towards the terminal bridge door in an attempt to get through when a male passenger allegedly pushed her away. When the officers tried to get Terry's account of the incident, she said the male passenger choke-held her and threw her to the ground. The person she was talking about, however, gave a different account.
So she was
I was walking up as soon as I only saw a little
she was
bit.
making a ruckus over there in front of the thing. We were, and she came up behind us to get in the boarding line, and it wasn't her group, I guess. The lady right here told her that she couldn't board. And she was cussing and making a...
And busted through.
She tried to bust through?
Yeah.
She came over and shut the door, told us to go in. The door was
her
halfway shut and
colleagues
she came rushing through the door. I pushed
and
her
said
back.
Jim pushed her
She
back.
said that you grabbed her neck.
I pushed her.
Meanwhile, Terry continues making a scene.
Calm down and breathe.
No!
Let's go have a seat.
No!
Can you hold
Stop it!
Terry.
This guy chokeholded me! Look at the cameras!
Okay.
He threw me to the ground and chokeholded me!
You want to go to the water fountain with me? You want to walk to the water fountain with me?
Okay.
Terry? Come on. Here.
Let's just have you sit
No, I'm not going anywhere! I'm not...
No, yeah, move that way. Come on, Terry. Let's walk with me, okay? Here. I'm going to take you to get some water. Let's walk with me, okay? You want to go get some water? Okay? Here, give me...
They all saw it! They all saw it!
Okay, Terry.
He's still there in the door! The guy that chokeholded me!
Terry, okay. Terry, okay. Here, get some water.
Yeah, don't care about my shit. I don't care. I just want to go home!
Terry.
I didn't deserve this.
I know.
I didn't fucking deserve this. I really didn't.
I know. Did you have anything to drink today, Terry?
Yes, I did. Is that against the law?
No, it's not. How much did you have to drink today?
I had a couple of margaritas.
Couple of margaritas.
You can go talk to the bartender.
Okay.
I had a very fine time with those people until I got here.
Okay.
What bar was it?
Terry admits that she had a few drinks earlier that day, and judging by the way she's behaving, she seems intoxicated. Drinking in an airport itself is not illegal, but when passengers start acting up and causing a scene like Terry is doing, they can attract the attention of airport security or law enforcement personnel. They may also be subject to further scrutiny, denied boarding, or even removed from the premises if their behavior becomes disruptive or poses a risk to themselves or others.
Yes!
Is your driver's license in here?
Driver's license in there, Terry?
Yes! What are you gonna run a report on me? Yeah, it's in there.
Can I get it?
Go ahead!
Terry, keep breathing. You're fine, okay? Keep breathing.
What do you want to see? I have a report in Washington State.
No, I just need your. Where's it at in your?
Okay, we're just gonna. I'm getting more nice out of it. She said, yeah.
This really makes me sick.
Terry, relax.
No, this is not right.
Guy that pushed her.
You let another passenger chokehold me. Nobody fucking took a report. Nothing.
Terry, calm down.
It's all on camera.
Terry.
You bet I'm gonna fucking get it.
Okay.
I'll request it. I'll request every surveillance
You get the
camera in
drink
this
there.
goddamn airport.
I just wanted to get her drink information out of it.
And why nobody stood up for me? Why nobody saw it?
Terry.
Everybody saw it.
Terry.
Nobody would stand up and said this girl was chokeholded by a passenger.
Terry.
Shame on all of you.
Terry, calm down.
I don't give a fuck.
Terry, calm down. Calm down.
Despite several commands by the officer to calm down, Terry keeps yelling and making a ruckus, and the officers realize they have to arrest her. Unsurprisingly, the arrest doesn't go smoothly.
You fucking piece of shit.
Terry,
Put your other arm behind your
give me your
back.
other arm, Terry.
I'm not. No. Oh, I'm being arrested for being chokehold. Please, somebody film this. Please, someone film this.
She's being recorded, ma'am. Don't
Please,
worry.
someone film this. Please.
You want to lock it?
Everything we can here, transport unit.
I'm not being transported.
Sit down.
Take the cuffs off of me.
I'm not taking them off.
Get her stuff.
I need my stuff.
We're gonna grab it, Terry. We're gonna grab it.
Wait. This shit's cutting my wrist. Come on. You said you'd help me.
I did.
Calm down.
Readjust the cuffs then.
Are you gonna relax for me to do it? I couldn't put them on correctly because you kept moving.
I will calm down. You fucking fix them.
Okay, sit up. Sit up.
Stop. You're hurting my
Terry,
goddamn wrist.
you have to sit back, Terry.
Fix them.
Terry, sit back.
No, I'm not going to till you fix them. You're cutting into my wrist.
Terry,
No, you fix the fucking handcuffs.
Terry, we're about to roll.
No! Fix them.
Every time I try to fix it,
I'm not gonna move. You try one more time.
this roll there we go.
God damn you fuckers.
Hey, Altman,
You said you would help me.
when you leave, get her stuff, please.
Terry is finally taken out of the airport, where she continues being difficult.
Somebody film this.
Terry,
God damn it, leave me alone.
do you have anything? I have to search you, Terry, just to make sure.
Fucking two-face.
Terry.
Get away from me.
You know, it's all gonna
Put my mask back on.
Fuck you.
My mask back.
She told me she would help me. She's a fucking two-face. God
Who's
damn
helping
you,
you?
fucking assholes.
I just got you
I was
kicking my partner on camera, so
Yeah.
I don't care.
okay.
I've never been to jail in my life. For what? I didn't do anything.
Arrest for public offense.
Terry, step in the
I'm
car.
not intoxicated. I told you to talk to the bartender. Please help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Somebody, please help me. Let go of these cuffs.
Buckle that.
Ma'am, you need to step
Ma'am,
up.
you need to step up.
I will step up. Just let go of the cuffs. You're killing me.
Okay.
I can't do anything.
You stand up on
Just
your own.
let go of the cuffs.
Stand up on your own. You stand up on your
Stand
own.
up and step in.
Okay, man.
Take your left foot and put it up there, okay?
Let go of the cuffs.
We're not taking the cuffs off.
I'm not fucking doing anything unless you let go of these fuck. I can't do anything.
Ma'am.
She carries on like this for some time, but the officers eventually manage to get her into the cruiser. At this point, her true, incredibly racist colors come out.
I have a lawyer. Oh, you fucking asshole.
The other? No. All right.
I'm fucking eating you. I'm fucking.
All right, do it.
Fuck. Goddamn Dallas. Fucking bitches. I don't give a shit. Yeah, I said it.
Don't hurt my feelings.
Good.
Thank you.
Fucking asshole. Just take me to fucking jail. I'm done with
744 and
bitch. Yeah. The 1 year memorial of George Floyd being killed by one of your own fucking assholes. How do you like that? Yeah, I have nothing to say about that, you fucking black officer. Fucking piece of shit. Just keep kissing the white man's ass. Just keep on.
You got extra gloves in your pocket? You got extra gloves in your pocket by chance? I got some in my bag in the back.
Terry calls the officer a racial slur several times and brings up slavery and George Floyd.
Ma'am, can I ask you a question?
No, you're not can't. No, you can't.
You just said something about George Floyd's memorial, but you called me a nigga. So how does that work out?
Because you all are.
Ah, got it.
Fucking slaves.
Okay, got it.
In fucking Southern society. That's why you're a n***.
Oh, man.
And
Thanks.
he is too. Your fucking comrade. He's a fucking white n***.
Wow. Great. That's what we get for serving the country in the military, huh?
Book me on that one.
After she's taken back to the station, the officers go through her stuff and find a weed pipe, which is legal in Terry's home state in Washington, but illegal in Texas. Terry was booked and charged with marijuana possession, public intoxication, and resisting arrest. Being kicked out of the airport is humiliating, but what's even more embarrassing is getting kicked off the airplane in front of everyone. On July 7th, 2021, Lee County Port Authority officers arrived at a Delta flight to deal with a disruptive passenger. A flight attendant, speaking with a Port Authority officer as he entered the plane, said that the passenger in question, 23-year-old Adelaide, was acting strange, and also had to be told numerous times to put on her mask. A flight attendant told the officer that Adelaide had to be removed from the flight.
Okay. Hello.
We're gonna take you off the aircraft.
Yep, you're gonna have to get off the aircraft,
Yeah,
okay?
and you're at the,
Yep.
and I compliment you in that way.
But she's a representative of the aircraft. They don't want you flying on their plane today, okay? So you're gonna have to get off
After
the
they
aircraft.
made us wait and wait and wait.
Yeah, that's the way it is, but right now I'm gonna
And
need you...
that's fine, and I will respect that.
Okay, so I'm gonna need you to grab your bag and just
And I
step
did
off
not
the
do
aircraft.
anything, actually. Disrespect.
We'll talk about it outside.
Disruptive, besides speak my mind.
Okay.
And you know what? I live in America, and that's what fucking America's about.
Calm down.
No, you know
Listen
that.
to me. Grab your bag.
You know that. You know that.
Give me another unit on the plane, please.
If you are ever gonna put your hands on
Grab
me,
your bag.
no, I will grab my bag. But you don't want to sit here and say what I'm saying.
Listen, no one's
And
gonna
if
put their hands on you unless you
alright,
have to.
you
Grab
won't.
your bag and
Yeah,
just step off
you
the
won't.
Okay, but I need you to get up.
No. You
Okay?
need me to get up? You may need me to get up, but you know what I feel my need to do as a person? Just like Jesus motherfucking Christ.
You need to calm down.
No, I'm gonna do what I need to do. I'm gonna say what I need to do, and if you're gonna do whatever you feel you need to do to me, right?
You
So
ready?
I'm gonna say what I have meant to say.
Yeah.
No, to everybody.
Stand up, man.
Everybody is
You're
doing
gonna
this.
get arrested if you do not
I'm
stop.
already gonna get arrested.
You're gonna get arrested if you don't stand up and get off the
I'm
aircraft.
probably already gonna get
Do you want to get arrested?
I really
Then stand up
honestly-
and get off the aircraft. That's all you have to do.
It's not about that, man.
Okay.
You can
I'm
do
gonna ask
your
you one more
duty.
time, and then I'm gonna have to put my
But-
hands on you. Okay?
For what reason?
Because you're not
Let me
listening.
ask you that. You're gonna put no.
Fly. We're
And that's fine. That's fine. Why do you have a right to put your hands on me,
Okay,
though?
let's go, Russ. Come on.
No, why do you have a right to put your hands on
Man.
me?
Adelaide seems intoxicated. Her speech is slurred, and she is having a hard time reasoning with the officer and understanding basic instructions. She refuses to leave the airplane even after being told several times. The officer informs her that if she refuses to comply, they'll deplane the aircraft and arrest her.
Honestly, why? Can you just tell me that? Like, I'm actually asking you as a
At this
person.
point, here's what's happening. They're gonna deplane the aircraft. I'm gonna take you off the
That was
plane,
already happening. Don't.
and you're going to jail. Just so you
that
know.
was already happening.
It won't
though.
happen
Okay.
if you get up and walk out with me right now.
Yeah.
But if you're not
I
going
don't
to,
trust
Yep.
that.
Right now, they're gonna deplane. As soon as they deplane, you're going to jail. Okay? If you do not get up, that's how it's gonna work.
Do you see how that's a threatening system?
That's the way it is, man.
Not cool.
Are you
I
gonna-
want to trust you. You want to trust me? That's not healing. We're not healing.
Okay, get off the
That's
plane.
not
Come on.
healing.
Get off the plane.
Can I trust you to not? I feel like you're still gonna.
Let's go. Off the plane. Grab your stuff. Grab your stuff.
Are
Get
you
off the
gonna? Can I
aircraft.
trust you?
Listen, have I touched you yet? I'm trying to get you off the aircraft. That's
Right
all
to
we're
get
trying
me
to
off
do.
to do a control situation. If I get off the plane, you said you wouldn't arrest me. So you as a cop should have to honor that.
Russ, Russ.
Right? No, you should though. You should have to honor that. That's my right.
Go talk to the captain, tell him we need to remove her.
It really is though. That's my rights. Like you need to. No, we're getting to the point where you're not you're not respecting my human rights as a constitution. That's not true. I didn't do anything that did anything to. No, man.
Get over here. Up against the wall. You're gonna be facing handcuffs, okay?
I see your phone. I didn't do anything wrong.
Yeah, we tried talking to you.
No, you really didn't. I talked back to you and I was calm and you honestly acknowledged me for a moment and then you didn't.
Leave your hands there.
Why did you do that? Like that. You didn't have to do it like that. It didn't have to be like that.
Come with me.
I wasn't doing it.
Come with me.
No, man. This shit is fucked up and you are a part of this.
You had your chance, ma'am.
I had my chance. You didn't even give me a chance. I looked at you in your eyes and I knew you were lying to me. No. Don't. You can't bullshit a bullshitter. That's funny. No. That was the resistance that you felt. No.
I asked you 5 times to get off that plane.
Dude, you're better than that.
Adelaide was charged with resisting arrest, trespassing, and interfering with aircraft operations. She pleaded no contest and received a concurrent sentence of 16 days in Lee County Jail and 6 months probation. She was also ordered to have a psychiatric evaluation as well as an evaluation for substance abuse. What do you think about these cases? Let us know in the comments below. Until the next time.